So this was a family purchase, both for camping and for going to the beach, that a friend recommended to me, and I was really skeptical about all of the ravings he had for it. He said that he could pull it over rocks, on the beach over sand, that they used it for the kids in the park, and that they used it camping, and that it has yet to fail him. Well, I pulled the trigger and spent the $75 at Walmart, of all places, to pick this thing up, and it has held up better than any other collapsible wagon I've ever had. Starts off simple. It's got a wrapper that you unzip, and then you just literally fold it out and push it down. The steel frame locks in place, and you pull out the folding pad and pull it together. It has a 225 pound capacity, which was a good about 100 pounds more than the other wagons that I've looked at. It's got this organizer on the side with a mesh pocket, a sleeve, 2 soda carriers, and another mesh pocket, as well as a tie down for putting chairs or beach toys. It's got a collapsible handle which pulls up and pulls up. It snaps in place, or you can pull it out. And this thing has honestly become one of my favorite things to use at the beach. The frame is all steel, not aluminum, and like I said, it's got these jumbo wheels which make great sand moving toys or sand moving mechanisms. Like I said, if you're in the market for a wagon, you can pick these up from Walmart. Usually in the spring or summer, they run about $75. I've seen them on sale for as low as $45. You just have to watch the deals for the year. Whether I'm pulling a bunch of firewood or a bunch of camping gear, this makes life at camp super easy. Thanks for watching my review on the Ozark Trail wagon. I hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know, and I will put them on my channel. Until next time, see you on the trail.